Welcome to Canada Startups. Our goal is to ensure that you have all that you need to start, to grow, and to expand your business. With the step-by-step guidance, we will be looking at the key requirements and helping you with each one to ensure we can find you the relevant funding to take your business to the next level. So let's get you started via this quick video tutorial. Before we can get you into the funding search to really match you to the funding options, the priority now is to ensure that you have the key requirements. The key requirements include your business plan, financial statements, and in many cases, a visually appealing pitch deck presentation. No matter if you have this already in hand, or if you need help putting it together, our tools, resources, and our experts will guide you step by step. Let's start with a quick platform overview. Once you've logged into the platform, you will see quite a busy screen. However, not all steps or actions are necessary for everyone. While it is good to explore, our attention to getting you the needed funding will be focused on the key requirements. Everything else is supplementary. On the left sidebar of the platform, you will see the dashboard, which is your homepage. You can always return here when you are done your day. You have your timeline and the startup guide next. This is really if you need hand-holding, or if you are brand new to business. Definitely worth checking out. The Business Plan Builder is the perfect tool that will help you develop your plan and closely align it with government funding requirements and expectations. This is our first priority. Following that, we will review the funding database to see the various funding options for you. This is all step-by-step guided, so at this stage, simply check your email and follow your expert's recommendations. If you get stuck, you can always use the Ask an Expert program further down on the platform page, right on the left sidebar to reach out to your experts for immediate 24/7 support. In case you are using your smartphone, the left sidebar is indicated by the menu icon on the top left of the page. The Canada Startups Business Plan tool has been voted one of the easiest business plan tools to use, and the good thing is that it aligns with government funding requirements. This means your plan will be in line with government funding expectations. Now, once you're ready to start, simply open up the Business Plan tool from the left sidebar by clicking on the Business Plan Builder link. Once it opens, click the green Open icon to initiate the Builder tool. You will be asked a series of questions about your business idea. As you populate these basic questions, you will see your business plan quality score change. The score is located at the top right of the page and starts at 0, all the way up to 1,000. The higher the score, the better the plan and your chances at obtaining the needed funding. We recommend working with your experts to get a score that is 800 or more. As you navigate through the business plan steps, you may have questions. This is normal. Be sure to ask your experts for help, guidance, and support. This is what they are here for. You can always follow the on-screen instructions or the video tutorials that can be found on each of the text requirements or financial required pages of the Business Plan Builder. Once you've taken some time to go through it, you can share a copy of your business plan with your expert via email. Your expert will be able to review the work and guide you to completion. This is recommended as it will ensure a perfect plan before we get into the funding search stage. The pitch deck is the next step. A pitch deck is a visually appealing presentation that most funding agencies or investors want to see. While it is not mandatory, we have found that over 80% of our successful funding applicants have had a pitch deck presentation completed, versus those who did not have one. With that in mind, the pitch deck presentation tool is quite simple to use. You will want to start using the free template provided to create a cover page, some key slides about your business, your funding needs, your goals, and share that with your experts for a review and guidance. If you prefer to use an external tool to develop your pitch deck, you may do so, but be sure to ask your experts for some guidance or a working template as well. When you have completed your business plan, your financial statements and the pitch deck, it's time to get the funding search going. Remember, our experts are here to find the right funds for you. This is done after the process of understanding your business model via your business plan, so that our experts can really match you to some fantastic funding options. You can at any time request a funding search to be done via the Ask an Expert program, right from the left sidebar of the platform. We suggest doing a search once per month at least, as new funding options are constantly coming out. It generally takes 4 to 5 business days for our experts to match you to these funds, as there are quite a bit of them to go through. You can also use the funding database on your own. It has all of the options listed. They are easy to search, and our team is here to guide you if you have any questions as well. So let's get you started by completing your initial profile setup through the Startup platform. This takes only 30 seconds and will prepare you for the next steps. Upon completing your profile, be sure to engage with your expert. Shoot over an email back to your initial welcome email, introduce yourself, and get the expert on your side. We will want you to start the business plan process, move towards the finances and pitch as you work with our experts hand in hand to perfect this. Again, this is all done in an effort to help you raise that needed funding. If you have any questions, we are here to help 24/7.